Hello dear viewer, this is Sam again, and the topic of today is hard and easy languages, or the hardest language on earth. This has been brought up by my fellow Daniel, also known as 1122 DDD2211. I'm claiming to have found the most complex or the hardest language on earth. Why so? I'm not going to talk about grammar, like cases, nouns, vowels. I'm not going to talk about pronunciation, like the complexity of pronunciation. I'm not going to talk about language families because, for example, if you know English, it will be much easier for you to learn German than it would be for a Chinese guy. So anyway, why am I claiming to know the hardest language on earth? I mean, not knowing it like speaking it. I just know what it is. The hardest language is the language that you're claiming to be learning, but you don't do anything for it. For example, you don't do your homework, you don't learn vocab, or like your vocab, or the vocab your teacher gave you. You don't watch movies, you don't listen to music, you don't read the newspapers in that language, you don't do anything, or not enough. Because while you're talking of learning a language to someone, like I'm saying to someone, hey man, I'm learning a language, I'm learning Chinese, I'm learning, I don't know, any language. In that same time you could learn some vocab. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just claiming to be learning something, but I'm not really learning. I'm just trying to get attention, or, I mean, like, I'm not really doing something for it. So, the hardest language to learn is a language you don't do something for. A language is hard if you are learning it but not learning for it. Like, you don't do or learn anything for it. So yeah, I think that's and in this case, any language could be the hardest language on earth. If you're not interested, English could be the most complex or the hardest language on earth. So before you start learning a language, you should make sure that you're motivated. You should make sure that you really want this. And I think I brought it up, or I pointed it out very fast. I thought I would be blah 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 much more. So anyways, I say thanks for watching my video again, and hope to talk to you soon. Hope to talk to you soon. I always swallow some words. See ya.